Welcome to 1409 Pine Lane in East Delray Beach, Florida. We have a spectacular listing here at Casa Art. The homeowners, who we've known for many years, just finished a full interior renovation of their home. So we have a brand new kitchen, 3 brand new bathrooms, new flooring, new appliances, new baseboards, new interior doors, new everything inside. So if you're looking for a contemporary, modern masterpiece close to East Atlantic Avenue, and all you want to do is bring your toothbrush, we have the perfect listing for you. Come on, let's take the tour. So you can see from the tour, the homeowners really spent a lot of time with exquisite finishes in the interior. The home has some notable features to it, which include impact glass throughout, heated pool recently installed, driveway that was put in, Generac generator, as well as a 500-gallon tank. What I really love about the property is that it's situated in a prime location in Lake Ida. So essentially you are 1 block from Lake Ida, you're blocks from East Atlantic Avenue, where some of the best restaurants in Palm Beach County are, and you are within a stone's throw from houses that are between $1 million to $5 million. And guess what? If you ride your bike, and in 5 minutes, you'll be at the beach. Give us a call if you'd like a private tour, and that's my time. So I want to wish you all good health and a happy home. Take care.